Hi there. Let's solve a word problem using measurement data. Data can be shown in several forms like tables, charts, and graphs, or even line plots. Today, let's look at a line plot and solve a problem based on the data it shows. Are we ready? 10 students recorded the time they spent doing chores over the weekend on this line plot. Based on the data, how many total hours did the students spend on chores? First of all, we need to make a frequency table to help us find our answer. Our frequency table will have 3 columns. 1 column for hours, 1 column for frequency, and 1 column to show multiplication. Here is our table. Let's fill in the hours column. How many different hours have X's above them? That's right. We have 5. So we place each hour that has an X in the hours column. Now we place the number of X's that we have over each data point into the frequency column. Remember, each X represents 1 student. Let's check our work so far. If we add the numbers in the frequency column, we get 10, which makes sense because that is the total number of students. Now all we need to do is to multiply across each row. Here are our calculations. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1.5 times 2 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2.5 times 2 equals 5. 4 times 2 equals 8. Now, we just add our results. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 equals 23. The students worked a grand total of 23 hours. Great job! Remember that a line plot is a great visual tool for your data, and a frequency table helps you organize the data for your calculations. Talk to you soon.